Jokanyo mag duond buch siasa mar ODM koro nito wuok oko kendo kwedo mokalo wach mar zoning mag yango ni biro mono jopiny yiero jotelo makare manyalo cholo negi dongruoge ma opogore opogore. Kotelnegi koda Millie Odhiambo, Elisha Odhiambo kaachiel koda Jared Okelo giyango ni thuolo mano mar yiero mar 2027 jotelo koro nito ibiro yier mana kalure koda tijegi magichwalo ne jopiny.
I think over the weekend there was a conversation around the issue of zoning. That's number one. And I, as the MP for Game, my position is that I encourage our party to carry credible elections, nomination. If you have credible nomination, you don't have to worry about zoning, because ODM is still a popular party in the Republic of Kenya. So if you do credible nomination, the ODM candidate will still win the election. So I think those who are worried that want direct tickets are the ones talking about zoning.
For me, at a personal level, speaking as Millie Odhiambo Member of Parliament, not as a party position, because I don't know, I wasn't there. I get my apologies for the NDC. I don't know whether that was discussed a party position. But in my own view, I really think we need to rethink the issue of zoning. It does not augur well for us. What we need to do is ensure that the party is strengthened, the party conducts fair and credible nomination process that endears the party further to the public. But when we start having situations where we seem to have favorable candidates, then we will lose the public. So me and zoning, kama pamba na nini? Na moto. I don't like it. It's a word, and coming from a democratic perspective, I don't like it. It doesn't sit well with me. That is.
We have more than enough political parties in the country. And therefore, if one so chooses to zone a particular region, I do not know whether all the political parties will agree to zone particular areas for particular political parties. But if that is not the case, and we are only targeting ODM as a party and UDA, then we are disenfranchising those political parties. Because why leave out ODM in Rift Valley, where we have presence? So it should be a liberalized market.
The servant has larger presence on the ground than him or her. And every opportunity they get with the powers that be, all they can ask for, remove so-and-so, or we are going out. As if he's owning the community. This community is loyal currently to the President William Ruto, because Raila left them in his hands. And they want people in serious leadership, President Ruto, to talk to party leader Oburu and a group that will give him very soon.